How to fix iPhone keyboard lagging. So let's start. First of all, we need to open settings, scroll down. Here you can see general setting. Open it, scroll down, open transfer or a reset iPhone, then reset keyboard dictionary, give phone password, then reset dictionary. After that, open keyboard, turn off autocorrection, turn off auto capitalization, turn off predictive text, turn off check spelling. So in this way you can fix iPhone keyboard lagging problems. Thanks for watching.